Earlier I indicated that you could drive your boat, maybe I'm going to say yacht, because I'm sure the dockage space is pretty expensive, up to the Miami Heat games. So I'm going to go in that area right now. To reverse and come out, but this is the back side of the Miami Heat arena. That's the players' entrance for their automobiles. I mentioned Gloria Estefan earlier. I believe they call this bongos. Across the street is Bayside. Okay, we're still behind the Miami Heat. I guess old school. I never get the Miami Heat arena out of my head. Just like they call it Joe Robbie Stadium. They name it Pro Player. They name it a number of different naming rights. But to me, it's always the original name. Okay, earlier we were talking about driving your yacht up, and I just wanted to capture it again. Here's Biscayne Bay. There are a number of yachts there. There's the waterway entrance, and that waterway, and you can dock right here. So this is an exclusive behind the scene look. Not many people are aware of this. Not many people see this. This is a great shot to show you the proximity of, I'm going to call it again, the Miami Arena, regardless of whatever the naming rights are. Biscayne Boulevard here, Biscayne Bay, which is here, and Bayside, which is on the other side of the street, and the cruise of Port of Miami. All of it is in walking distance. Okay. Box office. I am going to go back around. Mentioned that building in my other video. Many of the Cubans call it the Freedom Tower, and they call it the Freedom Tower, the beige building, only because when the Marriott boat lift, I believe this is during the Carter's administration, they had to process, I'm going to say hundreds or thousands of immigrants there, so that's where they technically immigrated to the United States, migrated to the United States, and it's akin to the Ellis Island, which is in New York for the Cubans. All right. I don't know if I said that quite correctly, but I believe you get the gist of what I wanted to say. Okay.